Okay, a little video on how to do discharge to an external resistive load, which in this case is a hairdryer modified for about 1 ohm resistance using the iCharger 4010 Duo. In this case I'll be discharging a couple of 6 cell 5000 milliamp hour batteries, so 10,000 milliamp hour in total. So if I want to actually discharge on these batteries, so I just put them to storage, yes, and away it goes. So that's it, running the program now. I've got it set at 39 amps, you can go up to 40 amps, but I keep it 1 amp shy just to stop the thing going right to its limits. So it takes a while just to check the battery out. You can probably see now it's just starting to ramp the amps up. It starts slowly, then builds up. Obviously here the hairdryer, a little bit noisy, as hairdryers do. So it's passing 30 amps, 32, 35. So that's leveled out at 38.9 amps. Okay, we are near the end now. We've got 3,800 milliamps taken from the battery. It's tapering down. It's now at 4.2 amp discharge in the constant voltage phase. It should cut off when it gets to 4 amps. You can see the hairdryer is slowed right down now. You can see the charger's never got warm at all. 40 degrees it's measuring. That's it, done.